This dash camera records in full high definition with a multi-element glass lens, so daytime and nighttime footage looks sharp enough to clearly read license plates and road signs. Built-in wireless connectivity and a companion mobile app make it straightforward to review clips, adjust settings, and even stream video without removing the memory card. The compact two-piece design lets you detach the main camera body from its mount, which makes it easy to stash out of sight when you park or move it between vehicles. Integrated Global Positioning System logging adds location, route, and speed data to your recordings, which is invaluable if you ever need to document exactly what happened on the road. Continuous loop recording ensures the camera keeps capturing new events by automatically overwriting older, unprotected files once the memory card is full. Impact detection and a parking monitor mode help safeguard your parked vehicle by sensing bumps or motion and locking the relevant clips so they are not lost.